boss, I'm very glad to introduce our mixer loading truck to you. Our brand F-Man. Our model is FM535SLA. This is our bucket. Capacity is 0.65 cubic meters with hydraulic gate. This is our drum. The capacity is 3.5 cubic meters. We have 4 batches per hour, so the total capacity of per hour is 15.5 cubic meters. You can guess where is the engine? Yes, it's here, under the hood. When you need to repair the truck, if you use our model, you can open the rear hook fully. It's very convenient for you. On other models, on other brands, you can only open the rear hook by side. It's not easy for you. The engine brand is Yuchai. The rated power is 85 kilowatt. We don't use Yunei. It has lower rated power, can't give the truck enough power, and with lower quality. The max speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Some other brands only have 30 kilometers per hour because we use the Yuchai engine with big power. And we have 4-wheel drives with hydraulic high-quality steering. We use famous tail brands like Chaoyang, Triangle, and other famous brands. At the front, we have 2 types. One is double tier type, and the another is single tier type. Here is our luxury FOPIC LOPIC cab. It's very comfortable to sit here and very easy to operate the truck, even for me. You can see this pad is our secret. You can choose what language you need, like Chinese, English, Russian, and Indonesia, and other languages. And you can see every corner of the truck from the pad. It makes sure our safety. This is a multifunction pad. Only F-Man have this pad. This is our water tank. The capacity is 800 meters. It can meet the need of twice output. If you have any interest, please contact me. Thank you both. Bye bye.